You know Paul as well. So the video is going to be on LA Lewis on April the 9th via my Facebook. I was telling LA Lewis condolences on the passing of Prince Philip, Duke of Edinburgh over England, 99-year-old. And people think I joke thing. No, LA Lewis said them something here serious. See me your head pan him way with the maroon ID after I'm feeding people them.
Documents, officer.
You have anything to declare? Weapons?
Oh, no, officer. Remember, say, I'm a maroon, you know. Say I just go check my beer, brother. So we flag here and everything. You understand? And some identification here. Yeah, I'm just traveling to check some people down the road here, so as well as the family member.
Mr. Lewis.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm maroon. So the jurisdiction and two different one. And so I'm a flag here too.
Yeah, you have a flag.
Yeah, we have a flag. Yes.
You know we have a pandemic, right?
Yes, we know we have a pandemic. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, officer. Alright, big up yourself, Scotty. Yes, man. Alright, so people, trying to see it? Yeah, man, let's pick up the swords of them too. So, because the jurisdiction people is a different thing, so that's a roadblock people, so, you understand? So, we the maroon, we don't have the jurisdiction people with the Jamaican government. So a lot of police know it people because see that yeah, the first thing the police said, the jurisdiction different. So that's why them don't want enough of the police them people forget the thing we call now the constitution. Yeah, people see that because remember you know I'm traveling, I'm not driving, I have a maroon flag, so, and this is not the first one, people, this is about the 15th stop me get now, so 15th stop me get people from last week till now, you understand? So, Nyanke Pong people, you see it here? So, once you can show your identification, you understand? As I say, police and the soldier them there, but the officer himself know say maroon not under the jurisdiction of the Jamaican government. So I'm traveling. You understand? So I'm glad I don't see I go and still people. You understand? But I still have to turn off the camera again because these people who may carry some look of provision go give now and some things go give, them do not want you people to know say them nothing go on for them. Because I want to be maroon people who are proud. You understand? We have a proudness about you I say it go. You understand? So pin this on for me now because I should have looked for it not too long enough. So once you have the maroon identification card on your people, you understand? So I want to stop me get people. I believe this is not the first one. I'm gonna probably get about 6 more before me finish doing me do. This is about a couple of them I get from morning. So most of the police them know about it because let me show you what I go on now. You see when